See, not only in photos, even in videos also, you can change the faces, do the face swap easily. How to do that? If you want to know, I'll tell you two ways to do that. One is by using the Acool AI software and another one is the Remaker AI software. And before I explain the process of how to do that, one small request from my side, please use these tools responsibly and respect others' privacy, else you might get into trouble. Thank you. Now let's get into our content, how to do a face swap. Go to Google, type Acool and click on the first website of it and log in by using the existing Google account. You will get 50 credits for free, 10 credits are useful for one video and 4 credits for each image. Choose files. I'm choosing one video file here. Here I took the clip from the famous Bahubali movie and Prabhas pic has been identified automatically, and I'm selecting the Mahesh Babu pic and would like to swap with his face and click on the high quality face swap and then go to my library. Yes, it's processing now, and once it gets ready, you just click. Click on the change content and select the image this time to do the face swap, and follow the same process whatever you did for the video, and this time this is the image, not the video. Same process, and you can do a face swap by using the image. That's it. Next we will see the Remaker AI tool. Go to Google and type Remaker AI and select the website whatever you get the first. And here you can see face swap, multiple swap and video swap. 3 options you will get, and for video swap this time you have to take the pro license, and face swap and multiple face swap is the free. So I'm selecting the face swap right now. Page is loading and this is the interface, and here upload the image whatever you want to do a face swap. Upload the target image and click on the swap. Yeah, that's all. It's ready now. You can download easily. And one more time if you want to do, then again click on the same. It will ask you to select the pic. And again upload the target pic whatever you want. And swap. That's all. You can download. And now to do a multiple face swap, just click on the multiple face swap. And here you can select the image with multiple faces, 2, 3 or 4 like that. And you can whatever the face you can swap. Here I'm selecting the Ranbir Kapoor and Alia Bhatt and clicking on the swap. Yeah, it's got ready and you can download easily. One more time I'm showing. Again click on the image whatever you want to do swap for multiple. And select your target faces for male and female. Here I am selecting Prabhas and Anushka's. And then click on the swap button. Yeah, see how simple it is and how beautiful it is doing a face swap. And thank you for watching. If you like this content, please do a like, share and subscribe.